Welcome to Brain Booster. Ever wondered how an unassuming plant like aloe vera can be a powerhouse of health benefits? Native to the Arabian Peninsula, aloe vera is a unique member of the aloe family, standing out as the only edible variant among hundreds of aloe plants. This shrubby, pointed plant has found its home not just in its native region, but across the globe, thriving in diverse climates and conditions. For thousands of years, aloe vera has been revered and cultivated for its soothing, healing gel. This gel, extracted from the plant's leaves, has been a cornerstone in traditional medicine, offering relief and treatment for skin disorders, constipation, and a host of other maladies. Today, we blend this gel with water to create nutrient-rich aloe vera juice. Despite mixed research outcomes on aloe vera's health benefits, one thing remains undisputed: its nutritional properties. Although research into aloe vera's benefits is mixed, its nutritional properties are undisputed. What makes aloe vera a sought-after natural remedy, you may wonder? It's all about the nutritional profile of this unique plant. Aloe vera, the only edible form of aloe, does not naturally occur in foods. Therefore, its benefits are usually harnessed through supplements or directly from the gel within its leaves. This shrubby, pointy plant is a treasure trove of nutrients. One of its key components is beta-carotene, a yellow-red pigment also found in carrots and sweet potatoes. But what makes beta-carotene so important? It serves as an antioxidant that supports eye health, including the function of the retina cornea. However, there's a caveat. While aloe vera is packed with beneficial nutrients, its chronic use is discouraged due to potential side effects. But don't let this deter you. When consumed occasionally and responsibly, aloe vera can offer a range of health benefits, from supporting eye health to soothing skin and more. While chronic use of aloe vera is discouraged, its occasional consumption can offer several health benefits. Did you know aloe vera can be a gentle remedy for some common digestive issues? That's right, this green succulent is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also brings a touch of relief to those struggling with digestive discomfort. One of the key areas where aloe vera shines is in relieving heartburn. Heartburn, a condition that involves acid leaving the stomach and traveling up the esophagus, can be quite painful. However, recent studies suggest that aloe vera juice can reduce the symptoms of heartburn without any uncomfortable side effects. It's like a soothing balm for your esophagus. In addition to this, aloe vera juice contains several compounds known to act as laxatives. For those grappling with constipation, this could be a natural and gentle way to find relief. Of course, individual experiences may vary. While it may not work for everyone, aloe vera has shown promise in alleviating certain digestive health issues. So why not give this green gem a try? So, what's the takeaway about aloe vera and its health benefits? From its origins in the Arabian Peninsula to worldwide cultivation, aloe vera has been a beacon of health and wellness for thousands of years. It's not just any aloe plant, it's the only edible one and is unique in its health-enhancing abilities. Aloe vera's nutritional profile is quite impressive. It's packed with nutrients and boasts the antioxidant beta-carotene, known for supporting eye health. But it's not just about what's in it, it's about what it does. When it comes to digestive health, aloe vera shows promising effects. From soothing heartburn symptoms to potentially aiding in relieving constipation, it's a natural remedy that seems to offer some relief. So, while aloe vera may not be the golden ticket to perfect health, it's a natural remedy that's been around for thousands of years and is worth exploring for its potential health benefits.